When the world awakes to start the day, Mr. Bristles rolls your way with a gentle hum and a steady glide. He brings the shine to every side. He's built with heart, he's built with pride, AI power deep inside. His work is never truly done.
Mr. Bristles, shining gray, smart and strong in every way. He scrubs, he sweeps, he keeps it clean with VDT Robotics, smart clean. In senior homes where comfort grows, he moves with care, he always knows where quiet halls and kind hearts meet. He makes each day feel fresh and neat. Through hospital wings where care is near, he cleans with calm, he eases fear. In bustling schools, through every door, he keeps young feet off dusty floors. AI eyes that guide his way, he learns, he maps, he saves the day. From paper scraps to popcorn trails, no mess remains, he never fails. Sport arenas echo loud, he sweeps beneath the cheering crowd. From locker rooms to lobby gleam, he's part of every winning team. Mr. Bristles, steadfast friend, clean beginnings that never end.